All right, now we're making a Turkish dish called pırasa, and this is incredible. I've had it before. It is basically a leek stew. So when you wash your leeks, you have to wash them very well to get all the grit out. So we put oil in our pan, and we're adding our leeks. You also can use the top part of the leek. You can use the entire leek for this. So after you've added your leeks, you're going to stir them so they're coated with oil. Adding your sliced carrots to the leeks. So after you've added your leeks, you're going to stir them so they're coated with oil. Stir the leeks, and you can see they really wilt down in very little time. In about 4 minutes, this is how much they've wilted down. We are adding about 1 tablespoon of salt, and you can see they've really cooked down and wilted a lot. We add 1 heaping tablespoon of tomato paste. We are adding 1 cup of calrose rice, which has been washed and drained in water to remove the excess starch. The other thing we're doing is we are adding some fresh lemon juice to the leek mixture. We're adding about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and also, what is that?
Cumin.
We are now adding about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and also, what is that?
Cumin.
We are now adding, and we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin to the leek stew. That's optional. I've made this before and I didn't put cumin in it, but you can if you like it. And this is smoked paprika, same amount, 1/4 teaspoon. So we have smoked paprika, cumin, pepper, and now we're adding more water. See, but you add enough water just to cover your vegetables, and then give it a good stir. It's important to keep this covered while it cooks. Let's check on our leeks, and they're just about ready. When the rice is cooked, it's ready.